Okay, so this is sodium borohydride, and we're just going to do it with this, which is, I'm pretty sure, formaldehyde. So, we start with B, H, 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 and H. I'm taping this myself, so it's going to be a little bit hard. But there's also sodium, and you gotta always put that, and that's in the solution. And then, this is a minus charge. Okay, so the first thing that happens really is just that this hydride anion is going to come all the way over here, and it's going to attack this carbon. So when it attacks that carbon, the double bond is going to push up to the O, and then that's going to, or actually it's not going to push up the O, my bad. It's actually just going to come and attack the boron. So, yeah. So when you do that, you're going to rewrite it once, and it's going to be B, H, 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 and then O, B is minus, there's still that Na plus, and you have it connected to the carbon, which is connected to an H, another H, and another H. So right there, that's what happened. And what you're going to do now is, because this happens 3 more times, because there's 3 more H's, you're going to just show 3 arrows, and just put times 3. And when you do that, you can just move on to the next step. So I'm just going to erase everything. You can rewind if you want to see the rest. So pretty much what happened was we had boron, and it was connected to an O, and then that was connected to a carbon, and then that was connected to 3 hydrogens. Okay, and let me get this here, and then let me just finish writing this. Yeah, sorry it's so messy, but as you can see, just oxygen, carbon, HHH, all over it. Okay, so once that happens, you finished it, you have your, I guess, like, product right now. You have to react it with either like water or an alcohol, and our professor uses methanol a lot, so we could use methanol. So what happens here is that the bond from the oxygen goes and attacks this hydrogen, and this bond between the O and the hydrogen goes and attacks the boron. So when you rewrite it, you have your boron that's attached to oxygen, 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 and then everything else that they're attached to, which is just carbons. I'll just rewrite it. Okay, I know it's messy, but you already know it's there. And but so now the boron actually has an O, and then it has this Me. So yeah, so that actually happens 3 more times. So there is one more product, and that's with the this product right here that happens. So you have that bond right here that came and grabbed the H, and that happens 3 more times as well. So that product is, I'll write it out, it's O, oops, O, H, carbon, H, H, H. So this happens 3 more times, like I said, and every single step you have to make sure that the boron stays negative, so we have to make sure it's there, and then there's Na plus somewhere in the solution. You can just write that. So Yeah, and the final answer is just three of these, and then uh, three of the boron, I guess oxygen, and then methyl. So it just looks like this. Oh, four, sorry, not three, because you do it three more times. All right, and that's sodium borohydride.